Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to pick swaying video in Capcut. So for example, I'm going to add this swaying video to the project, and you can see the original. So it's very swaying, it's very rocking. So how to pick swaying video like this? Just click the clip and you can find the stabilize in the bottom. Just click and you can select this option: minimal cropping, recommended, or most stable. I think just swipe all to the right and then click OK. So here we go, and I think it's better than before. Okay, that's how to pick swaying video in Capcut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe, and you can click thanks button for appreciate. Bye bye.